Welcome everybody. Today we have a class on engineering mathematics. That is solution of equations using Newton-Raphsons method. This is class 3. Okay. Let's see the question. Find an iterative formula for square root of n using Newton-Raphsons method. What is n? N is a positive number. Okay. Let us take x is equal to square root of n. Squaring this equation, we get it as x square is equal to n. That is, x square minus n equal to 0. What's our f of x? Can you tell me? Yes, f of x is equal to x square minus n. Find the derivative of f of x. That is, f dash x is equal to 2x. Okay. Now, can anybody say Newton-Raphsons iterative formula? Okay, xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn upon f dash xn. Here what is f of xn? If any f of x is equal to x square minus n. Now find f of xn. F of xn is equal to xn square minus n. This is our f of xn. Okay. Now f dash of xn. F dash of xn is equal to 2 times xn. Now we can substitute here in this formula. Xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn upon f dash xn. That is equal to xn minus xn square minus n upon 2xn. Simplifying this, we get it as this is equal to 2 times xn square minus xn square plus n upon 2 times xn. Okay. 2 times xn square minus xn square is equal to xn square plus n upon 2xn. Now we can take half outside. Half times xn plus n upon xn. This is the iterative formula to find the square root of a number. Square root of n. Okay, now we can do a question. Suppose you are asked to evaluate square root of 28. Square root of 28. We take n is equal to 28. Now we have obtained the iterative formula to find the square root of n is equal to half times xn plus n upon xn. Here xn plus 1 is equal to half times xn plus n upon xn. Okay. Now first of all we should take an initial value. We know which is the nearest initial value. Square root of 25. It is equal to 5. Therefore we can take x0 is equal to 5. Okay. And putting n equal to 0 in this equation, we get the first approximation to the root. That is, x1 is equal to half times x0 plus n upon x0. Here what is our x0? x0 is equal to 5. What is our n? N is equal to 28. Okay. Substituting in this equation, half times 5 plus 28 upon 5. When we simplify this, we get it as 5.3. This is our x1. That is the first approximation to the root. Now we can find the second approximation using this formula. Here in this formula, xn plus 1 is equal to half times xn plus n upon xn. Here what's the value for n? We should put n equal to 1. When we put n equal to 1, we get x2. x2 is equal to half times x1 plus n upon x1. Okay. Now we have got x1. x1 is equal to 5.3. Substituting x1 equal to 5.3 in this equation, we get it as half times 5.3 plus 28 upon 5.3. Simplify this. Simplifying this, we get the value of x2 is equal to 5.29151. Now let us find out one more approximation to the root. That is x3. Here in this formula, we put n equal to 2. When n equal to 2, we get x3. x3 is equal to half times x2 plus n upon x2. Okay. What is our x2? 5.29151. Putting the value of x2 here, we get it as half times 5.29151 plus n upon 5.29151. And on simplification, we will get it as x3 is equal to 5.29151. See x2, this is x2 and this is x3. x2 and x3 are the same. Therefore, what is the value of square root of 28? We can take it as 5.291, correct to 3 decimal places. Square root of 28 or the root of the equation, which is the same as the root of the equation. What's the equation? X square minus n equal to 0. The root of the equation x square minus n equal to 0, where n is equal to 28, is 5.291, which is the same as square root of 28. Okay, we'll stop today's class.